Okay, Bismillah. Right, question number 3. Question number 3, this question is worth 4 marks. As I said to you before in the beginning of this intro, I'm going to be selecting questions which I feel that we haven't covered in some of the previous papers, or like new style of questions, and the popular questions that we can get lots of marks quickly and easily. This is my, in a sense, my revision list for what I think is going to be in tomorrow's paper. So folks, please bear with me if I miss out question numbers. That's deliberate. I'm concentrating on paper questions that you can get nice easy marks on, and which haven't really been covered in just the previous video we've just done. There's a EDEXCEL paper 2 video which has just been done. Please refer to that for other questions. Now, question number 3, the diagram shows a prism drawn on a centimeter isometric grid. Okay, that's this kind of special paper, that's like triangular paper. On the centimeter grid, draw the front elevation. The front elevation is indicated by this arrow. So if you would be standing here, okay, looking at this building, or say this building, looking this way, what would you see? So let's have a look. We have 1, 2, 3, cross 2 down. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's draw that shape now. Okay, let's get a line. Okay, right, so we're going to go across by 3 first of all. So please bear with me, I'm new to this technology I'm using at the moment. So we have a 3 over here. Okay, and then we're going to come down by 2. Okay, right, by 2. Right, and then we'll go across by 5. Okay, cross by 5, and the 5 is there. Okay, and then we're going to join these two up. And that's done. So that's going to be our front elevation. Let's double check. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 up and 3 across. So that's going to be called our front elevation. Okay. That is all you need to do for front elevation. Done. Okay, folks, I'm sorry about my lines are not exactly on the lines. Please can you make sure your lines are exactly on the grid. I'm just, like I said before, I'm very new to this new technology, and it's taking a bit of time to get used to drawing everything properly. Okay, the next one, let's change color now. We've got to now draw the keyword is plan. When we think about plan, we're thinking about looking at something from the top. So we are standing above the shape and we are looking down at the shape. What will you see? First we will see this part here, which is going to be 1, 2 by 3. So if you draw that corresponding to this part here, so we got 3. Oh, sorry folks, I got my freehand drawing there. Oops, it's even more wonky. Right, let's quickly go for a line. Actually, now we could use rectangle. So this is going to give us a rectangle which is 3 by 2. Starting in line with this. So I'm going to draw one which is 3 by 2. Okay, done. So that corresponds to this length, that's 3, and there's a width of 2, that's 2. Now, this sloping part here, when you're looking from the top, you won't see the slope, you'll see it as a rectangle, and the rectangle will be defined from this point to this point. Sorry, this point here. Okay, let's just quickly get a... From this point here, going across to that point. So as though you're looking straight down here. So we got the remaining 2 squares on the bottom. So if I change color for that one, and we go for black, so we're going to have now okay, so this sloping part here, which represents the remaining 2 squares across, 2 across and straight down. So you will see this slanting bit as a flat bit. And this all corresponds with this corner here, and this part comes down to here. So you'll see like that. Okay, folks, that's the end of question number 3.